Hi! In front of me is LANDVO Rino4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Firstly, just locate Recorder app, and when you find it, click on it. Then, before starting recording, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Click on Voice Quality and tap on one of those options to apply the best one. Then tap on the same three dots, click on Recording Mode and click on one of those options, like Meeting. When you're ready to start recording, click on the red dot at the bottom left corner. As you can see, after that, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same left button. To end it and save it though, click on the right one. Then you can delete your recording right away by hitting discard, or save it by tapping on save. To access list of all your recordings, click on this button with three lines at the bottom right corner. And then to listen to it, click on it. If you wish to, so sorry. If you wish to, you can also hold it and delete it right away by tapping on the bin icon at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!